My arse is raw. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy or Sell. Hope of course you're all well. Today's video is coming out on Saturday. I don't do Saturday videos, but this is serious. Bitcoin is gone to a one hell of a gaping on the Bitcoin dream. If you just type in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, even the headline, Bitcoin falls below 20,000 for the first time since 2020. On the channel, we've been covering Bitcoin in some capacity since we started the channel. So it's about 18 months now I've covered it. We did say back in November, look, I'm done. It's going down. I'm sitting out and what I'm going to hodl. Terrible decision to hodl. But because you can never time these things, I'm content with that. I made my peace with that. We've covered it the whole way down. We've been going through the support levels. We did say, 6 months ago, right guys, done a measured move. This is going, I wish we'll get in the charts. Don't worry, we'll get in the charts in a moment. But we did do a measured move and says, no way around this here. This is going to go to the low teens. 20,000 is last ditch support level. We talked about it only a couple of weeks ago, and that's where we'll end up. I bought at 20,000 on the hope that there would be some sort of bounce. There really hasn't been a bounce, and we fell through. We've seen 18,000 today as the time of recording. We'll get into the charts at the end, but I just want to put out there that it's all part of the plan. I'm still prepared for this. We've been preparing. I feel like I'm okay. I am going to start really buying. We've not been buying. The last time I bought was at 55,000. And I let it fall the whole way down. Some of my positions I'm down 40% on, 50%, 60%, some are even on the 70% now. Just holding that position size. But like I said, I haven't bought since November for a long hold. All my swing trades, bar the ones that I bought at 20,000, have all been green successful. So I'm okay with where I'm at with it. One hell of a gaping. One hell of a gaping. No escaping the gaping. It's been brutal. And unfortunately, I do think the ultimate worst case scenario is going to play out. So let's have a look. Since the time of recording, Bitcoin has looked to went up by about $1,000, by about $500 since when I started recording this video. So that's good. So let's just look at the TA. I'll make it very, very simple for you. So I'll turn off the trading strategies. And I'll turn off the volume right now. We're just looking at lined charts, and I'll even just bring it into here, okay? So recap, we drew the following wedge. We said this is going to be bullish. This was back last year. Wow, God, nearly a year ago now. Jesus, that's crazy. So a year ago, we talked about this potential falling wedge. We said if it breaks through this here, it's going to rally. It fairly did. Once we got above this support level, we rated right up. 76%. That was your exit stage. I did exit some money now, but I exited some money based on the charts, and then I left in my hodl account. And remember back when everyone just hodled and bought the dip, and me, Kevin, was, oh, I'm just buying the dip. And that's all you do, you buy the dip. People didn't realize that things go down. Now they're starting to realize, oh God, I shouldn't have. Listen, I've still held some of my hodl account, but we started going down. Then at a sort of the 45,000 range, I said, look, at this bounces off this and goes down. This flag plays out, we are going down. And then we did our measured move, and a measured move here is you just go from here to the wedge, then you lift this and you bring it here, and boom, that's where it goes. That is a measured move. If you want to learn all of this, it's all in the trading course. Very reasonable fee. Pay the money, learn how to trade, because if you don't know how to trade, you end up just with arses raw, and no one likes a raw arse, you know what I mean? That is not a great surprise to me that is where it went. And you can, sorry, there's my line that I originally drew, but I've just made it more clearer for you. So that is where we are. Let's swing it to the candles then. So we can see here, this is the level of support that we drew. We're right on that money still. We're still there. We're still there. Look, I'm not saying that we have fell below and it's all panic stations. This very well in a range could be sort of the 1880 that we've seen could very well be the support, the bounce that we're looking for. So really hasn't been any jump at 20,000. I really thought 20,000 we might have just got that. You can see here, the next level of support is the fearful in and around the range of between 10 and 12. That range is the next level of support. Now, do I see us falling below that? If you look right back, I mean, we have serious, strong support at that level. And to me, and most analysts, Jim Cramer, if you trust him, and bigger crypto people in the space are really saying this is the bottom. This is the worst case scenario. You can see here, just on the volume, there's no volume. So it was natural that we were just going to absolutely tank the whole way down. So I'm not surprised at these levels. We've covered it well on the channel. We will see if we fall down lower. If I zoom out, we can see the levels of support here. Huge buying. I mean, look, in comparison, guys, look at the levels. Then here, this is where everyone's accumulated Bitcoin. This is where smart money got in initially for the big bull run. And we'll continue looking at the charts in a moment, but I just want to bring this here. Cryptocurrency price crash, a result of inflation as investors lose their life savings. We've seen companies just stopping withdrawals. We've seen companies just going, oh, we need to lose staff. Coinbase, one of the biggest holdings of Bitcoin. I did my video the other day. I'll share the link to it. Go in, watch that video. I literally say, get all your money out of Coinbase, put it in the wallet. These are not regulated. You could lose everything you have, whether you believe in Bitcoin or not. Imagine you go, no, I'm bullish in Bitcoin. I'm staying with Bitcoin. And then the broker that you use goes, nah, you're not getting your money, it's game over. So that's a scenario. Take control of your situation. It's all to do with Celsius. That has spooked things, and that has put the pressure on crypto as well. Then all the birds are getting in there, and everybody's getting in there, all the media outlets, all the banks, everybody that controls the universe is going, nah, we don't want cryptocurrency. Let's ramp up the bearish sentiment, and that is putting more fear into the market. I do feel like we're getting peak fear. Back in sort of November, when everyone, like your granny and your uncle and everybody that never heard of cryptocurrency was going, I might buy some. That was when you got out. That's when everyone was talking about it. It's kind of the same scenario now. Everyone's talking about it. Oh, cryptocurrency is a scam. Oh, that's what they want. That is the time where I go, right, if everyone's talking about it being the worst thing ever, get your money out, it's a scam. That's when I go, well, you know what it is? I'm going to go A and B. Why? Because I've done my due diligence and I believe in the future of Bitcoin, but it's a long hold, guys. This isn't going to change till 2024 minimum, so be prepared for that. Another theory people had was the Bitcoin was going to bounce off the 200-day moving average on the weekly chart. We have fell through that, which really is scary because we haven't really ever seen below that. Now, we have seen areas where we just fell below, so there is confidence potentially there that you could go, well, you know, as long as it's not a full candlestick closed below this, people know my trading strategy, will know that there's still hope here. So we really are squeaky bum time. It's as tight as it can be. Another theory as well is that Bitcoin has never fell below the highs of the previous halving. Okay, so you go back and you look at all the different halvings, you'll never see Bitcoin ever, even in all the crashes that it's had, it's never went back below the previous halving. We're right on that level right now, where if it falls much lower, then it goes into uncharted waters. So it's very nervy on Bitcoin. I'm buying. I'm just going to go A and B. I don't care if I see 10, 11, 12,000, I'm buying the whole way in and around that range. Like seriously, blowing the load in it. Not concerned about it really, because you got to keep asking yourself, is this the end of cryptocurrency? Now, do your own due diligence. I do not have the answers. It very well could be. There is maybe a 10% chance that will be the case for me. That's my laws on it. I'm going, there's 90% chance that this isn't going to go away. It's going to be the future. It's digital. Everything's gone digital. Why would cryptocurrency not stand the test of time? We've seen so many institutions adopting it. We're still seeing so many people buying it. Plus, I like the fact that, you know, fingers crossed, if I do see in and around 11,000, I could have potentially a couple of Bitcoin. I've never thought at 60, 70,000 that I would ever own a full Bitcoin. Now I'm going, I could own a couple of full Bitcoins. That would be brilliant. Imagine when it goes to 100,000. And we've been talking about it in the Discord. Obviously, hot topic today. Again, the two courses, Discord course alone and the screener, which will tell you all the different types of stocks that are available right now with momentum. That is the low priced one. The dearer one has all of that included. Lifetime pass for the Discord, plus the trading course to learn how to do everything. That's enough of the promo. We're talking about the different levels. I'm saying here, you know, I'm up 1% on my 20,000 buy the other day, and that's all gone like, yep. I'll just had to do a video, you know, I still think this. Then there's this brilliant meme I've seen today. I shared this on my Twitters, get me on my socials. As they say here, 68,230% increase from here. That's how much you will gain. 20,000, 68% drop. People are going, oh, it's going to zero. And that's the thing, you know, that is the problem. Everybody wanted in at 40, 50, 60,000, but when it gets to 20,000, oh, you know, I don't want to be a part of that. It's mind blowing. If this goes to 10,000, you have the possibility, in my opinion, do your own due diligence, by 2024, the end of 2024, it'll be at 100,000. That means you can 10x your money. Man, imagine, even at 20,000, you're 5 times in your money. Crazy. People are talking about holding. Talked about just cryptocurrency in general. Even this year, don't forget this. I shared this in my Discord earlier on. Look at this.
And in light of the tremendous growth in crypto assets and stablecoins, we are examining whether a U.S. central bank digital currency would improve upon what is an already safe and efficient domestic payment system.
There you go. The man that controls the money in the USA saying, we're considering it because it's stable, because we like it, blah, blah, blah. That is only a recent time. So why are they all doing it? They're all buying it. The addresses, new holders of Bitcoin are going up. People are still accumulating. Bigger, smarter people than you or I are still holding and buying this for the future. So don't be panicked by this. This is cycles. It's just like the stocks. You've just got to do your own due diligence and trust something. If you've got conviction, you will be fine. But there is risks. Within that, even that video, I could go, Doesn't sound good. What happens if they do create their own currency and they go digital? I definitely think that's the future. But what happens if Bitcoin, perhaps they go, 2008, outdated technology, we got something better. That's also the risk you've got to play. So you've got to weigh up everything here, guys. Every bear market plants the seeds for a bull run, and vice versa. Every bull run ends up planting the seeds for a bear market. It goes in cycles. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with more realistic charts. Not telling you to pump it. I have been saying since November this is going down. Tread carefully, and that is what I have done. I have been keeping my money to the side. Everyone on the channel knows the cash pile is heavy, not just for crypto, for stocks as well. Be ready. The housing market's coming soon. We're going to talk about that probably in the next 6 months, because that's going to be another thing that we're going to aim Beal into. So if you enjoy these videos, like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. Watch this video, because don't worry, you can still become a millionaire. I can guide you that way too. Until the next time, get the links down below for the trading course. I will see you all there. Peace.